A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the technology and livelihood education major. Let's review a 10-item practice test, set 3A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Larry's gums bleed every time he brushes his teeth. He lacks food rich in A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Stripping off the outer covering of food is A. Paring, B. Peeling, C. Styling, D. Stirring. The basic nutrients that are essential in maintaining the body functions and good health are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamin, minerals and water. Which of these is an essential part of body tissues and comprises 2/3 of the body weight? A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Vitamins, D. Water. Which of the following consumes electricity most? A. Dry cell, B. Heat, C. Magnet, D. Motor. The number of complete cycles performed in 1 second is expressed in this unit known as A. Frequency, B. Hertz, C. Power, D. Resistance. It is needed for a variety of plumbing tasks, from changing faucet washers to disassembling plumbing-related appliances, and they come in an assortment of sizes and types. A. Adjustable wrench. B. Locking pliers. C. Pipe wrench. D. Screwdriver. It is receptacle or vault to collect organic waste discharge from the house sewer. Its main function is to liquefy and precipitate solid waste, purifying odorous materials. A. Bibbet. B. House drain. C. Canals. D. Septic tank. The most popular and widely used materials for the construction of a septic tank is A. Plastered concrete hollow blocks. B. Reinforced concrete. C. Prefabricated asbestos. D. Thin metal and plastic. Which is a hairstyle for formal occasions in which strands of hair are shaped into spirals to stimulate a flower. A. Brush up. B. Curly. C. Petal and rolls. D. Plain. It is an electrical device worn by the patron on his/her head to provide heat for proper distribution of oil during scalp treatment. A. Cotton swab. B. Hairbrush. C. Heating cap. D. Plastic cap. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.